Hello everyone and welcome back to my crafting diary. Today in this video I will be showing you what supplies I use to make these custom keychains. What it looks like before I put the resin on. Use for this one the what is it called? The UV resin hard. I got this off Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. Today I'm going to be trying this one just to see what's the difference. Is it because it says high gloss? This one doesn't say anything about gloss or high gloss, so I wanted to try this one. I have my UV light, and I got that from Michael's. I have silicone brushes, also my silicone mat. You guys can look at the video to see how I actually made them. And as you can see, this is just with the Mod Podge and triple thick. You see how like it's really sturdy. It's not flimsy. So it's like really like it's not gonna break or anything like that. And the only thing I want to do now, as I'm learning how to do these keychains, you see how this one is all one color, and the back will be its own color. I should have did all of them like that because now they're like different colors and you can see it on the back side. I did the front already with this resin, so I'm just gonna try the back with this one and try to see the difference. Some gloves, and it comes with this little tip here, so it makes it really easy to use. And I have my little silicone brush with my silicone mat, so it won't get everywhere. So, and then I have my UV light over there. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just pour some on here. Just a good amount. You guys see? And then kind of just work it out. My LED light is called Signature Crafts. It has like 99 seconds, 60 seconds, 30 seconds. So I hit 99 seconds probably like 3 times already. But it's dry, but it's still like a little sticky. And before I do like the outer part of it, I want it to be dry. But it looks like the same type of no, I think that shines a little bit better. Especially it's pretty because of the glitter. So I'm just gonna let this continue to dry before I do the edge.